So we're going to start off with Jamin. Jamin's a UX designer and service designer at Adaptive Path. We stole him away from Nokia, where he's doing some fascinating work across a number of services, geographies, and future technologies. But more importantly for today, Jamin's a member of the Service Design Network Advisory Board, and he's going to tell us a little bit what he means when he says service design is not UX design. Jamin.
So thank you for that introduction. I guess if service design isn't UX design, let's start there. I probably wouldn't call myself a UX designer, but interesting. So how many people have heard of service design? Lots of people. Great. How many people think that there's a difference between service design and user experience design? We don't know, maybe. All right, cool. Well, some of you people are right. Some of them are wrong. So feel good if you're right. So I'm going to take I have 5 minutes. I'm going to take a very simple approach to this. But how is or why service design isn't user experience design? Well, user experience design doesn't have a focus. Service design does. Service design designed services. Service design doesn't have, or UX does not have a focus. So a lot of people call themselves UX designers, and I say, okay, well, what are you making? And if you're going to be managing experience, this group here, what are you managing? The experience of what? A lot of the stuff I've heard so far, I'd say product, customer interaction with a particular product. But what about that customer interaction with the service itself? Those CCOs, they need people that are going to look at that entire system. And that's where service design comes in. If we want to advance the discipline of design, we're going to start to have to be more specific because experience is intrinsic. In modern design, experience is just part of any sort of design methodology. So service design, difference, it focuses explicitly on services. And there's an emerging discipline around that. So what's a service? Here we have the DMV. I keep saying DMZ, might be the same thing. But this is a service that is not so great. That can be designed using service design. Airlines we talked about before. Cool lights help, apparently, service experiences. Comcast, gosh, just imagine if there was an actual service design team. A team that's just thinking about the entire customer service. And this is what service designers do. They're looking at the people, the processes, and the artifacts in that relationship to build a better experience. Comcast probably has UX design teams, but the experience still sucks. So let's hope service design is the answer to that. TSA, another example of where service design could play a huge role and currently isn't. Can you imagine if there was a service design team, again, a team of designers specifically focused on these people operating in this process with these different artifacts, probably not gonna, we're gonna see new types of opportunities like this one, like an opportunity to say goodbye and design some value into the service that way. Service design isn't new. Service providers, all the ones I just listed actually, have been designing services forever, but without design help. And I think that's what we're kind of talking about here in a lot of ways. We recognize in terms of product design that we can bring design methodology to that and improve the experiences. We can also do that for services. And service providers have taken steps to address these issues. So this is a service blueprint, first entered into or submitted to HBR in 1984 by Lynn Shostak. What she realized was that services, being intangible, and although they are designed, need to be visualized in some sort of way, need to be made tangible so that you could design them. Service designers, so this is a service design tool that predates UX. Service designers have taken these tools, which are tools that have come out of, that's an example of operations management tool, modified them. This is a blueprint that was created a few years ago by a woman named Carrie Chan for IBM. It is now in Don Norman's new book, Living with Complexity. So this stuff is starting to gain momentum. But designers, when entering this space, are creating new tools. So this is a resource from a site called servicedesignTools.org, really straightforward. Lots of different methods that designers are taking, adapting from existing service design methodology and creating their own new tools. And this is something that's growing, some sort of in a way separate, I think, from what I see in as UX design. Service design has its own conferences. You got your own books. As Brandon said, I'm part of the Service Design Network Advisory Board. I've been involved in the community for the last 5 years. The last 1 year has been crazy explosion of conferences, books, schools, master's degrees in service design, undergraduate degrees in service design, people studying how to make these intangible services better to improve the experience. This weekend, actually there's a global service jam, so 24 hours, people getting together just to design a new service. And you can see from this visualization, you got people from all over the world, sure, a big cluster in Europe, but it's starting to spread. And these people need homes. So it's great. I love hearing that there's CCOs, and maybe it's taken them a long time to get there, but there is a group of people that are studying a particular methodology for designing services, designing service experiences, service innovation, and they're out there going to be looking for jobs. So I say, stop making UX design teams, make service design teams. There are, as I said, services out there that aren't using designers, so we can add designers. We have designers who are building tools that will actually do this sort of thing, and there's a lot of them out there ready to go. So if you want to manage experience, build service design teams. Customers will thank you, businesses will thank you. Thank you.